What's up YouTube, Alvaro here, welcome to the Bilingual Stock Market channel again. You guys already know this channel. This is the YouTube channel in which we talk about the markets, but we do it in English and Spanish as well, so you can pick your preferred language. And in this video I want to break down and explain to you the way that I am going to be taking trades in the upcoming week with one super hot cryptocurrency and three super hot meme stocks. So in this video I want to break down from a technical standpoint Ethereum, AMC Entertainment, Bed Bath & Beyond, and good old Sndl growers. So without further ado, let's get started. So now let's talk about Ethereum, guys. This is a cryptocurrency in which I am investing at a long term, but as of now I have two swing positions opened. So let me show you. This is the first position that I actually opened yesterday, June 4th. So yesterday I made two different purchases at $2,669 and a second purchase at $2,500, almost $2,600. And this morning, when I saw that Ethereum had taken a hit, I made a third purchase at $2,646. So far I have invested in this swing position on Ethereum. Let me show you this position. I have invested something like $2,400, and as of now I have an unrealized loss of $20. And the other position on Ethereum, and here you guys can see the other swing position that I opened in Ethereum last week, and here I have invested something like $4,000 and I have an average cost of $2,635, and as of now I have an unrealized loss of $28. So what's my plan when it comes to these swings positions that I just showed you? And mind you guys, I opened two different positions, two different swing positions on Ethereum, because my plan is locking in the profit in one of those two swing positions at $2,900. And if Ethereum happens to be able to burst above $2,900, I am going to keep on riding the other position farther up if, as I said before, Ethereum happens to be able to burst above $2,900, which is a very important area of resistance for the bulls of Ethereum that has already acted as such in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 occasions before. So I am going to lock in the profit in one of the two positions that I just showed you at $2,900, and I want to keep on adding more Ethereum to the positions that I just showed you if we happen to see anytime soon or in the upcoming days $2,150 or $2,200. $2,200, let's say, is a previous area of support for the bulls of Ethereum that has already acted as such in 1, 2, 3, and 4 occasions before. And mind you guys, if $2,200 if that support, if that area of support happens to be broken to the downside, and if we happen to see once again in Ethereum the $1,700 or $1,750, that's an area in which I am going to be loading up in Ethereum in a very aggressive way. Let's not forget that $1,700 or $1,720 is a price, an area of support that acted as such back on May 23rd. So far, and taking into account the correction or the crash in which Ethereum and Bitcoin have gone, $1,700 each has been the lowest that Ethereum has gone. And some of you have asked me if this is a good moment in order to start a long-term position on Ethereum. And in my opinion, it is, guys. Take a look. Ethereum is trading as of now 40% of its highs. So if any of you did your research work, if any of you is bullish on Ethereum and you think that this cryptocurrency has a great future ahead of itself, what are you waiting for? You already have a 40% discount over here. So I am long Bitcoin and Ethereum. I am certainly taking swing trades as well on Bitcoin and Ethereum in order to hedge against my long-term positions. but 40% is a very but very attractive long-term discount. So in my case, guys, and in summer, if we happen to see $2,200, I am going to keep on loading up on Ethereum, needless to say, not to mention $1,700, which is a price in which I am going to be loading up on Ethereum in a very aggressive way. And I think that anything near $1,700 or the lows $1,700 is a great price to buy Ethereum for any purpose. And now let's go ahead and take a look at good old AMC Entertainment. And here on the 1 hour chart, we can see that despite the fact that AMC Entertainment went down on Friday 6.68%, the uptrend is still intact on the 1 hour chart. So AMC closed last Friday's trading session at almost $48 at $47.91, and we can see that there's nothing to complain about AMC Entertainment from a technical standpoint. So what's my plan when it comes to AMC Entertainment? And if you guys remember, I took a successful day trade on Thursday purchasing shares of AMC at $39. So my plan for the upcoming week in the case of AMC Entertainment would be picking up, I would say, 40 or 50 shares at around $38 or $39. Let's not forget that $39 acted as a lower support for AMC back on June 3rd, and it also acted as a lower support for AMC back on June 2nd. So I am going to be more than willing to pick up some shares of AMC at around $37.50 or $38. And mind you guys, if AMC happens to break that support at around $38, I am going to be averaging down my position at around $30 per share. $30 per share is an area that is getting closer to the 180 SMA on the 1 hour chart, and it also acted as a lower support for AMC back on June 1st, and it also acted as a resistance back on May 27th. So those are going to be my prices in order to take a trade in the case of AMC Entertainment next week. For all intents and purposes, guys, my price target, or my ideal price target, I would say, would be $58, which is the area in which the bulls of AMC failed at last Friday. So let's say rather, sorry guys, that I pick up some shares at $38, and right after that AMC bounces back up, and if I can take this trade the way that I am describing it, and if I can sell out of my shares at $58 ish, that would imply a 34% profit. That's a very solid profit. And if we pull up the 1 hour chart, take a look at the RSI, guys. It is at 50 points. So from a technical standpoint, AMC is neither oversold nor overbought. It is looking very but very attractive. We can also see that the uptrend is intact on the 4 hour chart, and it looks like, guys, AMC is pretty much consolidating slightly above $40, and it looks like we are about to see a massive move to the upside sooner rather than later. And mind you guys, and I have been saying this over and over again in the latest videos that I have posted here on the channel, remember and keep in mind, the first short squeeze or the first meme stocks episode, let's say, lasted 5 trading sessions. And that episode happened in late January, and so far this new episode of the meme stock saga has lasted 8 trading sessions, and it looks like this new episode of the meme stock saga is far from ending. So let's see what happens with AMC next week, and I am going to be keeping a close watch on AMC at around $38. And now let's go ahead and take a look at Bed Bath & Beyond. And in the case of Bed Bath & Beyond, guys, this stock went down on Friday 0.60%, and it closed last Friday's trading session at $31.71. cents, and I told you in the video that we posted on Thursday that I was going to take a trade on Bed Bath & Beyond near $32. So I purchased last Friday 50 shares of Bed Bath & Beyond at $31.69, and as of now I have an unrealized loss of $34, and I am holding over the weekend, guys. Diamond hands with Bed Bath & Beyond. So from a technical standpoint, the RSI on the 4-hour chart is at 48 points, so Bed Bath & Beyond looks very healthy from a relative strength index standpoint. And I am going to pull up here the 1-hour chart, and what's my plan when it comes to the swing position that I just showed you. All right, pay close attention here, guys, this is important. So I said in the video that we posted on Thursday that $32 was an important area of support for Bed Bath & Beyond because it acted in 2 occasions last Thursday as a lower support. So we can expect what already acted as a support on Thursday to act as a new resistance on Monday. So if the bulls of Bed Bath & Beyond happen to fail at $32 on Monday, and if we happen to see Bed Bath & Beyond pulling back, and if this stock happens to pay a visit to $27, I am going to add more shares to my swing position at $27. $27 is an area that already acted as a support for the bulls of Bed Bath & Beyond back on June 2nd, but it also acted as a resistance back on May 26th, and it also did it back on May 27th. So that is going to be the area in which I am going to be averaging down my position of Bed Bath & Beyond. However, if Bed Bath & Beyond happens to open next Monday's trading session above $32, and I see that Bed Bath & Beyond is trading on with good volume, I am willing to add more shares to Bed Bath & Beyond if this stock happens to burst above the 50 SMA on the 1-hour chart at around $33.50, and if so, my price target in order to close this trade is going to be $37, which was the area of resistance in which the bulls of Bed Bath & Beyond failed on last Thursday. So watch out on Monday, guys, with Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's see if the bulls can actually open the trading session above $32. If that happens, then I might actually add more shares slightly above $32, because that would be a sign that the bulls of Bed Bath & Beyond are gathering strength in order to pull up, burst above the 50 SMA on the 4-hour chart and fill the gap up to the $37. On the flip side, if we happen to see this stock pulling back, I am going to be more than willing to pick up some shares and average down my swing position at around $27. And mind you, guys, out of all the meme stocks out there, the best company is by far Bed Bath & Beyond. Bed Bath & Beyond has by far the best balance sheet and the best financial situation relative to the other meme stocks. So if I were to back hold any meme stock, and I am not endorsing any of you to back hold any meme stock, because we all know that the valuations of all of these meme stocks company are extremely stretched. As of now, these valuations don't really make any sense, but if I were to back hold a meme stock, it would be definitely and without a shadow of a doubt Bed Bath & Beyond. So I'm just saying, just keep that in mind. And now let's go ahead and take a look at Sndl growers. Sndl growers went down on Friday 15.50%, and it closed last Friday's trading session at $1.09. And I showed you guys a swing position that I closed on Wednesday. However, I told you, and I have been telling you, that I am investing in Sndl growers at a long term. This is a speculative position for me. I understand the risks involved, so this is my long-term position on Sndl. I own 1,000 shares at an average cost of $1.82, and as of now I have an unrealized loss over here of $700, and the total market value of this long-term position is $1,100. So this is an amount of money that I am absolutely willing to lose because, as I said before, I understand the risk involved. So I want to take another swing position on Sndl growers, and something that really caught my eye, guys. I am going to pull up here the 1 hour chart and take a look at the similarity between the 1 hour chart of AMC Entertainment relative to the 1 hour chart of Sndl growers. These charts look absolutely alike. So we can see that Sndl growers is making a higher low on the 1 hour chart, and we can see that despite the fact that Sndl growers went down on Friday, almost 16%, the uptrend is intact, or it is still intact. And Sndl growers is also trading between the moving averages. So what's my plan when it comes to Sndl growers? Because as I said before, I want to take another swing trade on Sndl growers. So if Sndl happens to pay a visit to $1.03, I am going to pick up some shares of Sndl growers to take a new swing position. $1.03 is an area that already acted as a support back on June 2nd, but it also acted as a resistance back on May 28th. So from a technical standpoint, we can expect the bulls of Sndl growers to find a good support at around $1.04. And from a price target standpoint, guys, and if I happen to be able to take this trade the way that I am describing it, so if I happen to be able to pick up some shares of Sndl growers, I would be picking up 500 or 1,000 shares of this Canadian MJ stock. And as I just said, my price target is going to be $1.50, so I might be potentially locking in a profit of 30%. So watch out for Sndl growers, guys, on Monday or in the course of next week, paying a visit to $1.03, finding support over there, and then bouncing back up. And with good old Sndl growers, I am going to wrap up the video. Thank you very much for your attention, and thank you very much for hanging out with me once again. And remember, guys, that here on the Bilingual Stock Market channel, we are posting stock market update videos Mondays through Thursdays right after the market closes. In those videos, I break down from a technical standpoint both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100, which happen to be the most important indices of the United States stock market, but most importantly, I also break down from a technical standpoint the 3 stocks that will be on the top of my watch list for the next trading session. So if you want to get the notifications of those videos, of all of our videos, in a timely manner, you have to be subscribed to the channel, but most importantly, you need to activate the notification bell right up there. Follow us on Instagram, guys, at Bilingual Stock Market. On our Instagram account, we are posting news and information on a daily basis, but most importantly, I am making call outs through our Instagram stories about the stocks that I am about to purchase throughout the trading session. So if you also want to have access to that information, to that stuff in a timely manner, you have to follow us on Instagram as well. And remember that this is the Bilingual Stock Market channel, the YouTube channel in which we talk about the markets, but we do things a bit differently because we talk about the markets in English and Spanish as well, so you can pick your preferred language. But most importantly, this is the YouTube channel in which we know that the wonderful world of Wall Street is not for geniuses, it is for entrepreneurs just like you guys and myself. My name is Alvaro, and I will see you guys on Monday, tomorrow, right after the market closes. Peace out, enjoy the rest of your day.